Hey guys, Mike with Lakeshore RV, going to be doing a walkthrough on the Keystone Outback 335 CG. Thanks a lot for watching. Let's go check it out. Up front, we have two 30-pound propane tanks. We have the BAL 5.1 leveling system, so you control the tongue, all four stabilizer jacks right up here up front. Two 6-volt, 100-amp-hour lithium batteries come equipped on this model. We have your battery disconnect right down here. We also have solar on the side right here. A little light switch here for these front cap lights. 50-amp cord, because this is a 50-amp camper. Through there, we also have solar prep, a solar shutoff switch. This is your docking station where you're gonna find your multi-source cable signal controller, your fresh tank, your city water, your flushes, and it's also where you're gonna winterize it. And there's also a spray nozzle in there. Other side of your pass-through here, if you wanna have a television outside, you can. There's satellite and cable and a plug-in for it. This is just the exterior. This camper does have a Girard tankless hot water heater, so you can take longer showers. Around back, 2-burner stove. We have an actual sink. So we have 2 drawers and an access panel for underneath the sink. Big 20-foot awning. We do have some lights on each of the arms. Solid steps coming down. Another thing on this model, it is a fully enclosed underbelly with forced heat down to it. The tanks are wrapped in 12-volt blankets, and there is a reflective foil down there, so you can camp in some colder weather. Let's go inside. All right, guys, inside we have Thomas Paine dual recliner theater seating in front of a 42-inch fireplace and a 42-inch television. In between those, we have your Jensen audio speakers outside and inside, and these do recline. Very comfortable. So above these things, this is where your control panels are. So this is a 3-slide unit, slide, slide, your awning, ceiling lights, awning lights, night lights, water pump, fresh water, black gray tank levels. And this is your tankless hot water heater control. And this is heat for those lithium batteries. Kitchen island. This is similar to a Corian kitchen top. So your kitchen island, tons of storage in it, 2 big drawers, 2 smaller drawers at the top, and a big door with a garbage 10 cubic foot fridge and freezer, 3-burner stovetop. This just folds back over itself. Bigger stove and a nice big storage drawer underneath, 3 storage drawers beside it. Paper towel holder, we have your microwave, and we have storage above that. This here is for these pendant lights here. We also have a really cool skylight. Cool feature. Booth dinette, this does push down, transform into a sleeper. What I want to show you right now is the storage that it provides and how easy it is to access it, just like that. And of course, we do have lighting above both of your seating areas, and this is going to be an accent light here. So if you want to look underneath the booth, you'll see what this does. Pretty cool. All right, let's go look at the garage. This is the garage area. You can fit a 4-wheeler, a couple of motorcycles back here. There's quite a bit of space. 1,000-pound max capacity for whatever you're gonna put back here. We do have a sofa and we have a little bunk here. This sofa does fold out into a bed. A couple of legs are gonna drop down, so you can see it like that. Also, we can bring it up and pop those legs in. So that way when we have it up, you have maximum room for whatever it is you're gonna have back here, be it your motorcycle, your 4-wheeler, bikes, canoes, kayaks. Okay guys, this is a 2 AC unit. So your main control is gonna be right here, and that's gonna control that AC. Into the bedroom here, this is the 3rd slide out, and this features big wardrobe if you wanna get a shot of that. Okay guys, your second thermostat is right here. Second AC is right over the bed. These are Coleman Mach, so they are quiet. They're not gonna disrupt your sleep at all. This camper actually has a couple of locations for CPAP machines. Very thoughtful. We have dueling closets on either side of the bed, nightstands, and a drawer on either side, and a couple of big doors on the top. Plug-ins at the head of each side of the bed. We also have USB port, and your bed is going to lift up, and you have a little kennel door. So if you bring along a pet, you need somewhere to put them, there you go. Okay guys, porcelain toilet in the bathroom. We have your fan. We have a 34-inch radial glass shower, and we have your sink and your vanity area. Thank you so much for watching the video. Love to hear from you guys. If you want to reach out to me personally, my cell is 231-215-2750. Call or text. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it, guys. Have a great day.